Hi, I'm Susan. Welcome to my channel, and today I want to show some snap jewelries available in our websites. If you are interested in that kind of things, and you can go to our website and just to purchase. And if some of you don't have such kind of products in your jewelry box, and you can just look at our snap jewelry that our trust that they were convinced you that you should go to buy. Okay, so today we just first with our products. What kind of products I will show you. So now with a desk, there have two design for snap jewelries, and this is bracelets, and this is snap buttons, and we can put our snap button just in snap bracelets. Okay, and this is PU leather alloy just snap button wristbands bracelets fits 18mm snap buttons. Okay, and about 19mm width, 8mm thickness, length about 18 to 9 inch, and mixed color you can choose by yourselves. Okay, this one. And this is also colorful leather coat snap bracelets, and the bracelet is adjustable 7-inch to 9-inch, and with lobster claspers and extension chains, mixed colors, and you can choose and change. The fancy bracelet design is a snap, which you can free to change your favorite buttons. Okay, now I will show you one by one and how they look. And this kind of snap button, all 18mm. So we can use one of them. Use this one, okay? And you can wear a new bracelets. Every day we change our bracelet button, so you can wear the new bracelets in good moods every day and enjoy funny of DIY the same times. You also can make DIY like this. It's very beautiful, shiny stones with our bracelets. Okay, now we just change that. Gingersnaps give you a lot of options, and as you build up your collection of interchangeable snappers. Okay, your option for changing things up gets even broad. You can like this. There are over 300 different snappers to choose from. So there are snappers for every personality and every style and every occasions. To change your snapper, simply pry out using your finger, and this is second one. And the snapper will detach from, and very beautiful things, very beautiful. And the snapper will detach from the snap accessories, and can quickly remove and replace the new designs. Okay, and use this like this. Every day change. Every day is new design, new products, new bracelets. So, do you like them? If you like them, and you can contact with us and go to our website to purchase.